Well, here we go again. Spraying the skies. Look at, there's a shadow from the chemtrail in the sky. Huh. Weird. Man, okay, so someone said it's global warming. Do you believe that? You believe everything they tell you? Come on now. Come on, guys. Look at this, dude. There's streaks all over the sky. What do they need to control the global warming for right now? It's winter time, isn't it? Ah. So, it's like 50 degrees here. It's not very hot. Not very warm. So what is this? You tell me. I am not making this up. COVID-19, right? Yeah, okay. Swine flu, right? Yeah, okay. Cancer, right? Yeah, okay. Can't explain any of it, right? Yeah, okay. Don't know how it works, right? Yeah, okay. Bunch of liars, man. Look at the sun, dude. Look at this. All over our sky. It was clear when I got up. Bunch of crap, man. Look at this whole sky. Whole sky. How is it where you are? It's Saturday morning here. I used to get up and watch cartoons when I was a kid. Now it's just a joke.